Hey New York, this is Clark with NYC PIGEON Air Conditioner. Wanted to talk to you about mini split air conditioners and ductless mini split air conditioners. Many New Yorkers are interested in upgrading to these units. They have great benefits. They provide heating and cooling, but primarily cooling. But one of the benefits is the aesthetics. It looks great in apartments and co-ops and so forth, and condominiums and houses. So the question is, if you qualify and it's something that you want to invest in, the main issue is if you have permission from your building. That's it. So if you're a co-op owner, if you own the property in your building, we can get it installed. It doesn't matter the height of your building, we can get it installed. The question is do you have permission from your building? You can speak to your building property manager, your building manager, and tell them that you're interested in getting a mini split air conditioner installed. Find out and ask, even if you aren't the owner. If you're the owner of the property, it's not a question. You own the they own the condominium, you own the apartment, you own that physical property. It's not an issue. Reach out to us and we can help you get the mini split air conditioner installed. All right. So it all comes down to ownership. That's the main thing for mini split air conditioner or ductless mini split air conditioner installation. Thank you.